Do we have this bear in Malaysia? What do you think? It's a grizzly bear. Do we have this in Malaysia? What do you guys think? No. Sun bear. Is sun bear a grizzly bear? We have sun bear. Exactly. Do you have any idea how big this bear is? Do you have any idea? How big is a grizzly bear? No. Okay. Anyone knows how big? 3 meters tall. There you go. Huge. Very, very big. Super saya punya besar. Okay. Mega, mega punya besar. Not like sun bear. Huge. Right? Maybe big like a tree. Tall and big and fierce. Can you imagine? Dia sangat-sangat besar dan garang. So, bukan macam sun bear. Sun bear semua kecil, comel je rupa dia. Okay, tapi ni dia besar dan tinggi. Okay, you boleh jadi 300 kilogram tapi tak tinggi. Ni sangat tinggi. Gigantic, exactly. Macam raksasa besar dia. Macam raksasa. Are you struggling to speak English? Join our free class today. Click the link in bio to learn more.